Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to get your Spectrum account number and transfer PIN. So for account number, you're going to just sign into your Spectrum account and navigate to the billing tab, and your Spectrum mobile account number will be listed on the top of your statement. And for transfer PIN, really easy and simple, so make sure you're actually signed in to Spectrum account or you are on the My Spectrum app, signed in, then select services and then choose mobile. Then you want to choose a line in your account where you want to get the transfer PIN for. So choose that line and then select get transfer PIN. And then you have to choose a contact method to basically receive your passcode. So if you have multiple numbers listed, choose one of the numbers where you'll receive your passcode. And when you're prompted, you want to enter that passcode and select continue. So basically you're verifying yourself at this point. And then what you're going to do is you want to select the mobile phone number you want to send the transfer PIN to, select send, and then continue, and your transfer PIN will be generated and it will also appear on screen. And this PIN, guys, will be a 6-digit transfer PIN, and it will only be usable for the next 72 hours. So I hope this guide was of value to you, and if it was, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.